Tired of saying yes all the time? Spice up your vocabulary with these 10 powerful alternatives. They'll make your conversations more engaging and less predictable. Absolutely, a stronger way to agree. Example, absolutely, I can help you with that project. Certainly, it conveys assurance and confidence. Example, certainly, I'll be there at 7 p.m. Indubitably, a unique choice that sounds smart. Example, indubitably, this method will work better. Affirmative, often used in formal contexts. Example, affirmative, the meeting is scheduled for tomorrow. Without a doubt, shows strong conviction. Example, without a doubt, this is the best solution. Of course, it's friendly and reassuring. Example, of course, I'll share the documents with you. Definitely, it's enthusiastic and confident. Example, definitely we should try that new restaurant. For sure, it's casual and relatable. Example, for sure, I'll join you for the hike. By all means, shows eagerness to assist. Example, by all means, feel free to contact me anytime. Sure thing, it's simple and to the point. Example, sure thing, I'll take care of it. Incorporate these words into your daily dialogue. You'll communicate more effectively and leave a lasting impression. Start using them today.